I went up to Lowe's and picked up some of this heat shrink tubing. Been in here soldering wires. I didn't have a heat gun, so I picked up a little lighter. Worked just fine. This is everything from the passenger side of the the passenger side of the block. Injectors, coils, all that stuff. Knock sensor. I got everything trimmed down and soldered. Put the heat shrink on top of it. Yeah, so time to move on to the driver's side. Got all them babies done. This is the little pile from the passenger side. Yeah. Cost me about, I think this is about $2, $2 1/4 each. 1/8 inch. It worked good. Shrink down, nice and tight. Secure all the connections. So yeah, that's what I needed. Alright, y'all. I'm here with the injector wires. Got them shortened to the length that I need them. Soldered and heat shrink the connection. Now I'm about to cut these truck connectors off and put these car connectors here on. In the two pictures that you just saw, it was showing the positive side of the injector, which is the left side. If you can look at all these injectors, you see the pink wire is on the left side. That's the positive wire with the key in the on position. Just like all of these injectors, all the pink go to the 12 volt when the key is turned on. These other wires here goes to the PCM. The PCM pulsates a negative, which fires the injector, get the gas squirting into the engine. So the colors makes it easy for you to swap the injector connectors over. Like solid pink is the positive. Over here, solid pink is the positive. Make sure you don't connect the positive to the pink with the black tracer on it, because you might end up messing something up. I don't know if it'll still work or not. But yeah, the solid pink wires is the ones you want to connect to the solid pink on the injector connectors. When wiring in the connectors, I'm going to do it slightly different. Instead of running 4 wires to the fuse block, I'm going to take the wire for the number 1 injector, and then I'm gonna wire the first injector into the pink, wire the second one in, splice it into the pink one, splice the third one into the pink one, and the fourth one. That way I only have 1 pink wire running all the way back to the fuse block, just to clean it up a little bit and get rid of 3 wires that really not needed, because they all going to the same place. So that's how I'm gonna do that. I'm finally done with all the soldering and dealing with this wire mess. Just want to give y'all a quick view of all the wires that I had to remove. I got the injector connectors soldered on. Got that done, both sides. All the wires are complete and ready to get put on the engine and marked up. Get the harness to start taking shape. The only wires I didn't do is these O2 sensor wires. Gotta wait till I get the headers in and put them on the engine and figure out the location of the O2 sensors. That's when I shorten those and get those together. But yeah, I got everything else ready to roll. Transmission and VVS, got those all shortened and soldered, heat shrink. But yeah, head it out to the engine now. Get this thing together. Yeah, I'll go keep looking for the new videos, updates. Let me know what you think.